In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple users to an event on the Salesforce platform. Whether you're coordinating a meeting or planning a large event, knowing how to manage attendees is a crucial skill. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you understand each part clearly and thoroughly. First, we need to navigate to the app launcher. Think of the app launcher as your gateway to all things Salesforce. It allows you to swiftly access different apps and features within the platform. Simply open the app launcher to begin. Now, once you're in the app launcher, your next move is to search for and click on contacts, leads, opportunities, or accounts. This step involves deciding where exactly you want to manage your events. Are you associating this event with specific leads or perhaps a particular account? Choose the one that best fits your scenario. Once you've selected one of these options, you'll need to open the specific record where you want to log or schedule an event. This could be a client's contact page, a leads profile, or even an ongoing opportunity that requires team collaboration or client participation. Select the exact record that needs an event associated with it. With the record open, look for the activity component. This is your central hub for managing tasks and events related to your records. It may take a second to locate at first, but once you have it in sight, you're on the right track. Next, you'll see an option to click New Event. This action will bring up the event creation panel where you start setting the details of your event. The panel will be your workspace for the event setup, so get comfortable with its layout. Now it's time to fill in the details. Enter the subject of your event, the start and end dates and times, and the location. These basics set the framework for your attendees, helping them know precisely when and where to show up. If there's any additional information or instructions specific to this event, use the description or comments section to elaborate. This space can be vital for capturing the nuances that can't be expressed with just time and place. In the attendee section, this is where the magic happens. Search for and select multiple users, contacts, or leads who should be part of this event. Remember, effective communication starts with making sure all the right people are in the loop. Add as many attendees as needed. Keep in mind that your organization might have certain limitations on the number of attendees, so make sure you're aware of these to avoid any issues later on. Lastly, once everything is all set and your attendees have been added, click Save. By saving your event, all the selected attendees will be notified, ensuring that everyone gets the necessary invite and details. And there you have it, a streamlined process to add multiple users to an event on Salesforce. With careful attention to these steps, you should have no problem organizing and sharing your events quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.